Hope everyone is doing well, and welcome to our new home studio for 2020. And we're going to kick off this uh, 2020 campaign with our first um, Shark Tank automation. This is a short tutorial to show you how to launch your Shark Tank automation for contests or for fundraising. I hope you like it, and I will look forward to working with everyone. Thank you. Well, happy Thanksgiving and hope everyone is doing well and have a great, relaxing Thanksgiving with your family and friends. I want to take this opportunity to do a quick tutorial and show you how easy to launch your Shark Tank contest. This would be a perfect solution for fundraising and also for startups. All right, so let me just show you the platform. Now, the first thing that you log in as the organizer, you will go to the dashboard, and I will go to the lobby setup, and then you go to lobby labels. Now, this is where you need to do, you see the leaderboard there, and this is what you need to set up, and just keep it to doesn't matter which which side you want to set up. I just put in um, the right side. You can see that right there. Now, if you go to the lobby, that's exactly what you see. Okay. Now, also that you need to have each contestants to set up with the voting and reviews. Okay, so there's a booth labels, and you can select the voting and reviews, and that's exactly what you get. Okay, so that's how easy to set up, and you can go and you can actually go to the booth, and you will see um, the the voting and reviews right there. Now, when I go to the I sign in as a judge. Let's see here. Demo day. So I can just go to the booth and vote on each contestant. So I just go there. So this is how you actually writing your reviews. Okay. So like 5-star. Awesome. Awesome. Right. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. If you go back to the lobby and you go see the when you see the booth there, that's where you see the reviews. Okay, so now let's. I presume that you have multiple panel judges actually vote on it. So, so you're going to have as multiple reviews, and this is the cool thing about this uh, pitch feature. And you go click on this, you can see that the system automatically tally up all the votes. So then you know the instant winner automatically because the system already tally up all the votes. So that is that simple. Okay. I hope everyone uh, can take this and actually start launching your contests. Doesn't have to be for accelerator or demo day. It could be for any nonprofit organization for fundraising. It could be for local school, local chamber of commerce, and any nonprofit organization. Uh, Hope you like it, and love to let me know if you give us any good feedback. Look forward to kick this off for 2020. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.